Hi there. Today's read aloud is Day and Night by Margaret Hall. This book is an informational book, so later on we're going to talk a little bit more about that in detail. But before I begin, I wanted to make a prediction. So let's remember to use the title, Day and Night, and the cover to make the best possible prediction we can. So I want you to also use your brain. What do you know about day and night? Go ahead and take a moment and think of a good prediction. Once you have it, give us a thumbs up. Okay, let's begin our picture walk. So in this picture right here, it looks like a photograph. This right here, it looks like it's the sun. You can't see the sun, but I know whenever I've taken a picture and the sun's shining real bright, I can see these in pictures. Have you ever seen this in a photograph with the sun? You may not be able to see the sun, but you see these little dots right here. Okay, I'm trying to have you moving my face throughout this. Right here, it's not as bright here. It looks like the sun is, what, rising or setting? Yes, setting. It's a sunset. Okay, this looks like a text feature. We're going to have to go over this in a little bit. World. This looks like the sun. Some very pretty flowers. I wonder if this is a sunset or a sunrise. Sometimes it's a little bit hard to tell. I bet whenever we start reading, we might figure that out. This, though, does this look like daytime or nighttime? Nighttime, yes. Good job. Move my face out the way. Okay, does anyone know what this bird is called? It's an owl. And it looks like these two are maybe camping, but they're definitely by a little fire, a little campfire. And what time of day do you think this is? Nighttime or daytime? Nighttime. Usually if you have a little fire like this, you're setting it at night. Alright, the last page. Got some arrows going around. Looks like a rotation. We'll read a little bit more about this here in a bit. Okay, before we did our picture walk, I said that this was an informational text. So let's try to remember, an informational text is nonfiction. Nonfiction is, anyone know? Yes, it is not fake, it is real, has real information. Think about it, informational, inform, okay? We're learning real stuff, okay? Real information. It gives us facts about a topic. What do you think today's topic is going to be about? I think it's in the title. Day and night. So what I would like for you to look out for in this book is headings that stand out, diagrams with labels, and photographs. I know we're not covering photographs too much, but I have talked to you about them, and headings we have covered, diagrams we have covered, and labels we have covered. So let's begin our read aloud. Day and Night by Margaret Hall. Day or night? Look outside. The sun lights the sky. It is day, but night is coming soon. What makes day and night? Earth spins or rotates. A full spin takes 24 hours, or one whole day. Day changes to night and night to day as Earth spins. Part of Earth faces the sun. That part has day. The other side faces away from the sun. It is night there. So here's that little diagram that we saw earlier. A diagram is a picture with labels. Right here it says night, and this side says day. Notice how this side is brighter. I think this has a lot to do with sun. What do you think? Yes? Yes. Okay. And right here, this is a, what do you think it is? Label, diagram, or heading? If you said heading, you're correct. It's day. The sun shines highest in the sky at noon. Sunshine warms Earth during the day. Sunlight helps plants grow. So remember, headings, they give you a good hint as to what you're about to read, what this section is going to be about. It's day, and right here when I just read this little paragraph, it did talk about day. Earth keeps spinning. The part of Earth that had day turns away from the sun. The light fades in the sky as the sun sets. Do you remember a little while ago I said, I don't know if this is a sunset or a sunrise. Well, I told you that we'd, once we read it, we might figure it out. Well, it says right here, as the sun sets. Another heading, it's night. So I'm thinking this section right here is going to be about night. It's night. Now the sky is dark. The moon and stars glow. People turn on lights to help them see. Night is longest in the winter. Nocturnal animals hunt at night. Owls can see mice in the dark. Other animals sleep at night. You sleep at night too. Most people do. When day comes again, it's night. It's time to wake up. It's a pattern. Each day the sun rises and sets. Night turning to day is a pattern. It happens again and again. Sunrise, day, sunset, night. Just keeps happening over and over. Pattern. Okay? So what I would like to do now is to see if your predictions came true. If they did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. And if they didn't, I want you to think, did you use the title? Did you use the cover? And did you use what you know about day and night to help you make this prediction? Well, if you didn't, next time let's try to use those things to help us make the best possible prediction that we can. And I know some of us are at school and some of us are at home. Well, either way, I want to ask you a question. How would things be different if we only had day and no night? So I'm saying it again. How would things be different if we only had day and no night? So I would like to take a few minutes after this video is over, and I want you to sit there and I want you to think, how would things be different? You can go ahead and raise your hand if you have an answer. If you're at school, your teacher can call on a couple of you, and if you're at home, you can maybe talk to an adult or a sibling or your stuffed animal and tell them. Okay, I hope you enjoyed today's Read Aloud.